Bilkis. In the last class I introduced you to algebra. So this morning too we are going to go back to algebra. Really, there's really not much to it actually, just a representation of value with certain numbers, and then you compute for the corresponding values of such letters. Alright, but before we proceed, I will implore you, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, to please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notification every time I upload. Alright, now let's go into it. Now the first question I have here is 9 plus a plus a. Now, given by following the instructions that we are given, that we should find the corresponding values of all of this when the value of a is what? 7. For every place you find letter a, you put the value of what? 7 into it, and then you compute for what the corresponding value of the whole thing will be. Is that clear? Now let's take it one by one. The first one is 9 plus a plus a. So just like we are told that the value of a is what? 7. So easy peasy, just replace the value of a with what? 7. So I have 9 plus 7 plus 7, and that is 7 plus 7 is what? 14. 7 plus 7 is what? 14. And then 14 plus this 9 will give you what? Let's see. 14 plus 9 is 4 plus 9 is what? 13. I'm keeping 1. 1 plus this one is what? 2, and that's what? 23. So basically your final answer is what? 23. You can see how easy it is. So this is easier because of the fact that we have been given the value of a from the onset. So meaning that everywhere you see a, you just keep putting the value of that a to be what? 7. Now the next question is this: a minus 13 plus a minus 13 plus a. So the value of a is what? 7 at the same time. So what do? You put this to be 7 minus what? 13 plus what? 7. Now, because we have two operators in this one, we have to go back to the rule of BODMAS that states that when you have more than one operator in a mathematical question, what do? You follow this rule. That is, this B stands for brackets. In the question, do you have anything that seems to be a bracket? If yes, you solve the bracket first. But you don't have anything like that it's brackets here. So you go to the next one, which is O, which is off. Off is this. So do you have anything in off in this particular question? No, we don't have. So you go to D, which is what? Division. You go to multiplication, you go to addition, and then you go to subtraction. So you can see from this, basically, what do we have? We have just subtraction and then addition, isn't it? So the first one you want to treat is what? This addition. So if I'm going to treat addition first, what do I get to do first? This is the one I'm going to do first. This 7 plus this. Now don't forget, don't make the mistake of treating your subtraction before addition. Some of you might want to go and say minus 13 plus 7. I told you earlier in the previous lessons that this 7, for instance, is actually the owner of this operator 7. Just like this 13 is the owner of this operator was 13. Meaning that this other 7 here, that no operator is attached to it, is assumed or believed to be what? Positive. Is that clear? So if I'm going to do my addition first, it then means that I'm going to add this and this together. Is that clear? Now based on the fact that this one does not have anything in front of it, means that it is what? Positive. So what do? I'm doing addition first. I'll go with this plus. This is 7 plus this 7. And then minus this 13. Is that clear? So if I'm going to do 7 plus 7, originally it is what? 14. It will now be 14 minus what? 13. And that will give me what? 1. Is that clear? Alright. Now let's go to this third question. I have a plus 3. Again, my a is what? 7. So I have 7 plus 7 plus 3. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 3 is what? 17. Easy peasy, one more time. Alright, this last one here is what? A minus 8 plus a. So I have 7 minus 8 plus a. Is that plus a? Sorry, my a is what? 7. Again, I'm going to do addition first before I proceed to do subtraction. Meaning that I'm going to do what? 7 plus this 7. 7 plus this 7. And then minus 8. 7 plus 7 is what? 14. So 14 minus 8 is going to give me what? I think 6. Yes, 14 minus 8 is going to give me what? 6. Alright, so please, you can lay your hands on as many problems as possible and try to solve them, because this is actually very, very simple anyway. So in the next class, we are going to look at the ones that involve word problems. Is that clear? Alright, thank you so very much for watching today's video. Next class promises to be more enlightening, and please, once again, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Also, if you need any clarity or further questions, you can reach me via the comment section, and please let us push this video to as many people as possible by pressing on the share button. I'll see you in the next class.